Hello, and welcome back to the workshop. I hope you have all had a fantastic weekend, and I hope you enjoyed that last 375 build. Welcome to all the new members of the workshop. Listen, we have some good news here today, let me tell you what. We have a new series underway, and it starts today with a truly rare and quality rifle, leagues beyond the last. The last rifle was honestly just a throw together thing, but this is something I can really put some time and effort into, and I'm very excited to share this with you. When deciding what to make this new series about, I had a few options. For starters, there was a Siamese Mauser and a 404 Jeffrey. There was a 416 Rigby on an Enfield action. No, not that Enfield. This one. Even though I love Enfield so much, the decisions to go with something else was a real heartbreaker for two of us. I'm one of them, and you're the other one. You know who you are. The Enfield will get done, but just not yet. Promise. I decided to go with something truly rare, a Siamese Mauser. Because the Siamese Mauser has a slanted magazine box, it makes the most exciting part of this series possible, and that is, this Mauser will be chambered in, that's right, 4570. And because that magazine box is slanted, we're gonna have to fit the thing in there. So we're in for a lot of inletting. In case you don't know, inletting is precisely chiseling the inside of the stock to accommodate the metal components like the trigger guard, receiver, and the barrel. This process gets a lot of hate and generally considered to be the worst part. Maybe I'm weird, but I quite enjoy it. It's relaxing. It reminds me of mowing the lawn or trimming the hedges. I don't know, maybe that's crazy. In order to inlet something, you need to know where the two components are contacting. This is done by covering the fitting component with ink, inserting it where it's supposed to go, removing it, and then it'll leave ink spots wherever it contacts. Then we know where to remove material. This process takes a very long time, and it requires a good deal of patience. Luckily for me, I learned how to ride a unicycle in my younger years, so my patience level is nearly maxed out. With inletting, the biggest temptation is to shave off more than you know you should. As you can see, I'm shaving off bits thinner than most people's hair. If you're going to inlet, buckle in for about 5 hours at the minimum. But be careful, because one slip and you'll have a gap that you will never forgive yourself for. Let's pause for a second to announce last week's winners of the parts game. Ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause to no one. Literally no one got it right. That was a Arasaka firing pin, an M1 Grand trigger, and a safety for a Mannlicher Schoenauer. Better luck next time. Next time is at the end of this video and we'll have another round. Now, let's get a good look at what we're working with. This is fresh off the duplicator and in crude shape. For the remainder of this episode, we will be shaping the cheek piece and getting it to rough form. I'm taking a different, more long-form approach to these segments. Let me know in the comments if you liked it or if you just fell asleep. So I'm gonna shut up and let the video do the talking. Hey, welcome back. Not gonna lie, I fell asleep watching that. Anyways, the video, yeah. So, the cheek piece is now to a rough form, our trigger guard is unleaded, and our receiver is also near full depth. I am so excited for this series. This will be a very unique and beautiful rifle, and I'm just itching to see it complete. What's that? You think I forgot the parts game? No, 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 no. I would never. As always, leave your guesses in the comments and I'll shout you out on next week's video. So that's going to wrap up this episode. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe button so you can follow along with the process of this rifle. There's a lot of work being done this week, so as always, I'll see you next Tuesday.